Well, here we are. It's December 12th, 2010, and we've got snow, blowing snow, and it is really cold out here, about 19 degrees. This is what it looks like as I slowly pan around to show you the neighborhood and how much snow we have here. I just recently cleared off my wife's car, the little Chevy Cavalier there, and coming up on the right and moving toward the center. And I'm going on down the street here. My hat just blew off, but I'll go get it in a minute. Snow blowing right in my face. As we slowly pan on around. There's Mary and Howard's place in the 97 Nissan Pathfinder, whatever it is that their son drives. He's not going anywhere today. His car's sitting right there in the driveway, right where it belongs, right where ours is. That's one of the beauties of my wife and I being retired. Neither one of us have to get out and go anywhere today. Thank God. That is so nice. And I move on over here. My hat laying there on the street right in front of my truck, as you can see. I'll get it in a minute. Come on back around to the house. I'm going back in. It's 19 degrees, about down about 6 bucks. So here I am, back coming in the house. Okay. Here we are back again. This time in our nice warm house in my bedroom. The comfort of my wife and I's bedroom, and it's sure nice in here compared to outside. This is a view out the backyard.
What are you doing? Videotaping?
Yeah, I was taking pictures here with this camera, you know. Oh yeah, I'm fine for what I'm doing here. Take another view, sweeping backward where we came from. Misty. That's my Siamese wanting me to pick her up and hold her. My little female Siamese. Those two swimming pools you see there coming in the center of the picture, that's where you need to be in weather like this. But unfortunately, they've got them winterized. Too bad, can't go swimming. Here's an even closer look at the pool that's catty-cornered behind me. Those people had a lot of fun, but I think today they would particularly have fun. LOL. It would be nice.